Very sorry. I have to start again. Sorry, I was forgot to plug the microphone. Very sorry. Shit. Thank you, Sharan. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. So I will recall. Very sorry. So what I do is I will recall from. So I will extend the timings. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Till here I simply told. Hello, Vinita. Good evening. So now audible, right? Everyone audible, right? So I will recall the things. Okay. So this is our plus program, as I told, and we have different plans for you guys. You can subscribe for Unacademy Plus so that you will get all the beneficiaries which are mentioned here. Okay. So okay, I go for the same total internal reflection. I will take a new slide. Please be online. Please be online. Abhinav, hello. It's audible now, Abhinav. You are not there. ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಭಿನವ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು ಓಕೆ ನೋ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಸೆಷನ್ so total internal reflection, what is total internal reflection? Total internal reflection is nothing but it is a phenomena where incident ray will exceed the incident ray will exceed the critical angle. So here I will repeat the what phenomena so if this is the normal, this is the surface, okay, then this is the normal line, okay, then starting from here, incident ray, actual path should be here, but it is from a denser medium to a rare medium. Okay, so denser medium to rare medium means it will move away from the normal line. Okay, so after some point, after some period, what will happen? This ray will become normal to this line. Okay, ray will become normal to this line. That angle is nothing but what? Critical angle. Hope the voice is clear. Hello. Yes. Sorry for the interruption. Actually, this microphone is not working, I guess. Okay. So depending upon the refractive index, the sparkling of the material will change. Okay. Yes. The second one, a fish is a little away below the surface of lake. If the critical angle is 49 degrees, then the fish could see the things above the water surface within an angular range of theta. Okay. So here you need to find the angular range. Angular range is nothing but um, if this is a normal line, then after some point you will get a critical point, critical angle, that is nothing but the refracted ray will be lying over the plane. Okay, so this is nothing but critical point. They have given critical angle, that is nothing but 49 degree. So that is nothing but making 90 degree with the normal line. Okay, so if it is 49 degree, then the angular range will be full double, that is 2 into I, that is theta, that is 98 degree. Okay, the right answer is C. Next, if the critical angle for a total internal reflection from the medium to vacuum is 30 degrees, the velocity of light in the medium is what? You need to find the velocity of light in the medium. See, you have the equation like, which is the equation you have? N1 sin theta 1, that is equal to N2 sin theta 2, that is sin C is equal to what? 1 by neta. Okay, so I have the solution for it. See here, 1 neta equal to sin is equal to 1 by neta. Neta, then you will get a value of what? They have given a total internal reflection, that is critical angle. So sin 30 they have given. Sin 30, that is equal to 1 by neta. So neta value is equal to 1 by 0.5, that is 2. Neta value got. Okay. So but here you need to find the velocity of light in the medium. So finding the velocity of light in the medium, neta is given by C by V. Okay. C is nothing but 3 into 10 to the power 8, where V, that is nothing but velocity of light in the medium, that you need to find out. So after rearranging, I will get V is equal to C by neta. So that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 2. So how much you will get? The right answer is B, my dears. Okay. So the next question. Okay, I have the solution for it. So this is the solution. You can go through it. You can pause the video. Then you can go through the solution of it. Okay. Then the total internal reflection to be takes place, the angle of incidence is I, the refractive index is n neta of the medium must satisfy the following. Okay, see here, see again, we know the equation, that is for two mediums, that is sin I, that is equal to sin R, where total internal reflection will take place. They have given. That is nothing but a refractive index, that is refraction, that is nothing but critical angle. So sin I, that is equal to sin C. Okay, that must be satisfy the following. So you know, for total internal reflection, incident angle should be greater than critical angle. Is it right? Yes, because if this is a plane, okay, this is the object kept here, this is the normal line, okay, the rays will follow like this, another normal line refracted, similarly another ray, it will reflect bending away from the normal line. So for after one point, it will make lie on the plane, that is slab, that is nothing but making 90 degree with the what? Normal line. Okay, that is nothing but critical angle. So for total internal reflection, that is nothing but reflecting back. After the critical point, that is after the 90 degree, the rays will reflect back. There won't be any refractions. Okay. So now the ray reflected back. For that we have the condition that I should be greater than C. So then I can write sin I greater than sin C. Sin C, I have equation 1 by neta, that is sin I. So for comparing with the options given here, so I can write neta, that is greater than 1 by sin I. So which is the right answer? Option number A. Next one. Yes, I have given the solution, you can go through it. Next one. Total internal reflection of the light is possible when light enters from what? Yes, that is, you need to give the 100% answer for this, because if you have gone through the last session, then you know the concept, right? So the concept says when from the rare medium to a denser medium, the light ray which is falling, incidenting from the rare medium. This is rare medium, I mean air. From denser medium, which is the denser medium? Yes, good Dhananjay. Which is the denser medium? Denser medium is water. Is it right? So this is the actual path of the ray, but when it is from air to denser medium, then it will bending near to the what normal line. But when denser to rare medium, that is nothing but water to air. If this is the slab, this is the normal line, this is the incident ray. Actual path is like this, but it will bend away from the normal line, right? So after some cases, one or two or three rays, then it will make a 90-degree with the normal line. That is nothing but what? A critical angle. C. Okay. So the critical angle. After the critical angle, the total internal reflection will take place. So the total internal reflection will take place only when a light ray will move from water to air medium. Okay. So hope you understood. Next. A diver at a depth of 12 meter in water of a neta 4 by 3 sees the sky in a cone of semi-vertical circle. Okay, so you need to find the answer is what? Okay, so you can see the outside world. Okay, tell me a big game. Tell me I can solve your doubt, please. So again, you know the equation sin c over 1 by anita. So c is nothing but what? The sine inverse of 1 by 4 by 3. So you will get 3 by 4. So which is the right answer, my dear? C is equal to sine inverse of 1 by, so go through it. Sin c, then C is equal to sine inverse of 1 by neta. Is it right? So I can write sine inverse of what? 3 by 4. Okay. Which is the right answer? Yes, C is the right answer. Angle for R equal to angle of I. Law explained by, that is angle of reflection. That is the rule of reflection, Abhi. You know the concept of reflection? See, this is the normal line. Is it right? Here, the angle of incidence should be equal to angle of reflection. Okay, so I should be equal to R. So this is the rule of reflection, not the refraction. Here in the refraction, the angle will be different. Incident and refracted angle will be different. Okay. Next, the critical angle for the diamond is what? Yes, critical angle for the diamond. Yes, you know the formula. They have given the refractive index. So this is the direct type question, right? So you can directly write the sine inverse of critical angle, sine inverse of 1 by 2. So this is what? 1 by 2. That is 30 degree. Sine inverse of 0.5. That is 30 degree. So the right answer is D. Is it right? Yes, my dear. Then a mirage effect is a phenomena due to what? Mirage effect is a phenomena due to what? I have given the example for the TAR. So for TAR, total internal reflection, which are the examples we have? Yes, one is a sparkling of a diamond. Is it right? Other one is mirage effect. Then other one is a third one, which I have given. Okay, go through that. So mirage is one type of effect by the phenomena of total internal reflection. Okay. So the right answer is C. So the sparkling of diamond, that is nothing but the incident ray will reflected inside the what chamber or whatever the slab. Okay. So for that sake you will have a greater shining property. That is total internal reflection. Next one. The phenomenon utilized in an optical fiber is what? The phenomenon utilized in an optical fiber is what? Dhananjay, which is the right answer? You know the answer. Refraction, interference, polarization, total internal reflection. Anyhow, you came for the session, right? The concept, clearing the concept of total internal reflection. The phenomenon utilized in an optical fiber is what? Yes, optical fiber is nothing but a material made up of glass or plastics. Okay, glass or plastics. So it is used for communication even. So it is done by the help of it is the phenomenon utilized here is total internal reflection. Next, super. The velocity of light in a medium is half of its velocity in the air. Observe the question. The velocity of light in a medium is half of its velocity in air. So how can I write? How can I write? 2 V2 that is equal to V1. So this is nothing but air. Is it right? Okay. So this is medium. Then if a ray of light emerges from such a medium into air, the angle of incidence at which it will be totally gets reflected. So how can you find this out? Which is the best equation for it? So for critical angle, what sine C is equal to 1 by neta. Okay, but they have not given the value of neta, but they have given the condition like 2v2 that is equal to v1. Is it right? So neta is nothing but what? Velocity of light in the air medium c over velocity of light in the given medium. Is it right? So how they have given that is nothing but 2 v divided by v. So v get cancelled. The remaining is 2. The right answer neta value will be 2. So I will substitute neta value here. 1 by neta that is 2. That is nothing but a 0.5. C is sin inverse of 0.5. The answer will be B. Hope you understood. Dhananjay, other than Dhananjay, Abhi, Maclean, Ganita, Vijay Kumar, Sharan, right? Okay. So I will go for next. So I have the solution for it. See, they have given V is equal to half of C. Okay. We know that N equal to C over V. We can directly write. So or else you can go through this. You can directly write. Don't go for it. You can directly like neta is equal to C over half into C. Then you will get the neta value as 2. Okay. Then when you substitute that C value, then you will get I. That is nothing but critical angle. Okay. Next. Area of light propagates from a glass to water, the value of critical angle will be what? The ray of light propagates from glass to water, then value of critical angle. So sin C, you know that is neta 2 over neta 1. Okay, so substitute for it, then the C will be sin inverse of the given term, then you will get a value A, 11th one B. Okay. Okay, then I will send you the solution of it, everything, okay, through WhatsApp. A relation between the critical angles of water and glass. Relation between critical angle of water and glass. So okay, they have given critical angles, right? So how can I relate critical angle? Okay, sin C that is equal to 1 by neta, that is inversely proportional. Okay, so C is inversely proportional to neta. So you know the value of neta. What is the value of neta for glass and water? So water for water 1.3 and for glass it is 1.5 and even for water that is 1. Okay. So now how can I write water and glass? So having water having refractive index of less value comparing to glass. Is it right? So I can write this as C of water greater than C of glass. So the right answer is A. Okay. Next, if a critical angle for a material to air for a material to air is 30 degrees, the refractive index of the material will be what? If the critical angle for a material air is given 30 degrees, the refractive index. Yes, you know anyhow. Sin C is nothing but 1 by neta, that is the formula. So C is nothing but sin inverse of, okay, they have given refractive, okay, they have given the value of C critical angle, you need to find the refractive index, right? And then neta is equal to 1 by sin C. So what is sin C? Sin 30, that is 1 by 0.5. Neta answer will be 2. So which is the right answer? Option number 4. Next one. Optical fibers are related in what? Communication, light, computer, and none of this. So optical fibers are related with the both communication purpose also, and even with the light also. So you can tick for any. Actually, the options are not good here. So for the communication system also we use the optical fibers like for transferring what data, right? From the rural area to urban, urban to rural, everything. Okay, next. A light wave enters from medium 1 to medium 2. Its velocity in second medium is double from first. Okay, same thing. The total internal reflection, the angle of incidence must be greater than what? A 15th one. They have given velocity of light wave enters from medium 1 to medium 2. Okay. Its velocity, second medium is double from the first. I mean you have to write 2v1 that is equal to v2. Is it right? Yes, the condition is right. For total internal reflection, the angle of incidence must be greater than what? That is for neta, you can directly find what C over V, that is 2V1, first medium to second medium, that is what? V2, okay. I can directly write 2V that is equal to V for the second medium and first medium, that is I will get answer as 2, right? So when I substitute for neta, that is sin C is equal to 1 by neta. Is it right? So then substitute value of neta here, then 2 here, then C is nothing but how much? C is how much? Sin inverse of zero point 0.5. So that is 30 degree. Is it right? So option number A. Abhi gave me, sir, who introduced the law angle I is equal to R? Incident angle that is equal to reflected angle, right? You have some confusion. So please can you tell the question came in exam. Okay, so I will clarify your doubt regarding. Then I have to tell. Okay, this is the solution for that question. So I will clarify your doubt regarding I and R. Okay, Abhi. See Abhi, there are mainly two concepts. That is one is reflection. Okay, and other one is refraction. Okay, so you are telling I is equal to R where this concept will come, right? So there are laws of reflection, there are many laws of refraction even. So where you write that is I is equal to R, that is incident angle, that is equal to reflected angle, that is coming under reflection. Okay, see here under reflection, this is the slab and this is the normal line which is perpendicular to the slab. Okay, so when angle of incidence, that is theta I, take it as theta I, and angle of reflected, that is returning back. Okay, that is angle of reflected, this should be always equal, theta I, that is always equal to theta R. But when you are coming to, when we are going for refraction, when you go for refraction, this is the normal line again. Okay, so ray of light entering you, okay, then actual path is like this. Okay, refraction is nothing but the ray of light entering from one medium to another medium. That is, I can give example like coin which is placed inside the tub or inside the whatever the beaker. So you can see the coin, that is due to the refraction. The rays from your eye that is entering into another medium, that is water, then you can see the object which is placed inside, right? So but that coin will see very nearer to you, correct? It will see very nearer to you, that is due to the refraction. That is nothing but the refracted ray, the rays which are coming from your eye, that will bend in such a way that very near to the normal line. Okay, see here, angle of incidence and angle of refraction is not equal. It is not equal. So if they ask where the concept of I is equal to R, then you have to write a reflection. So where the concept of I is not equal to R, then it is a refraction. Okay, so hope you understood, Abhi. Then the critical angle for a medium is 60 degree. The refractive index of the medium is what? Critical angle for a medium is 60 degree. The refractive index. Okay, similar. Sin C that is equal to 1 by neta. You have to go for the same equation, then you will get the answer as A. Okay. Next one. A normal incident ray reflected at an angle of 90 degree. The value of critical angle is what? The normally incident ray reflected at an angle of 90 degree. The value of critical angle is what? Okay. Yes. What? Yes, of course, 90 degree. That is nothing but what? That is nothing but total internal reflection. Okay. Next. A fish looking through a water sees the outside world contained in the circular horizon. If the circular horizon, if the refractive index of the water is 4 by 3 and the fish is 12 centimeter below the surface, the radius of the circle in centimeter is what? So what I do is I will sort out this problem in tomorrow's session. We have three numericals which is very important for the NCERT. Okay, I have taken this numericals from NCERT textbook. They will ask for even your KCET also or else UG NEET and all. So I have given the solution, but what I do is I will give the solution. I will give the what? I will sort out the numerical of that numerical 19th and 20th, having more steps comparing to these. So in the upcoming session, that is tomorrow, I guess. So I will intimate you if I have the session. And thank you for joining, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the session and even you cleared the concept with the total internal reflection, right? No more doubts regarding that. So only thing is you have to remember the main important formulas like sine c that is equal to 1 by neta, and then if the neta is given, then c over v, where velocity of light in air medium and it is velocity of light in the given medium. Okay, then which are the other thing, and even neta 2 over neta 1, that is v1 over v2. Then other than that, okay, only this much. We have only this much of formulas that need to be what keep it in your memory card for sorting out the problem. Okay, then you will have some complicated problem like which is displaying here point source with the critical angle and all. So I have a simple steps to sort out those problems. So what I do is I will sort out that problems in the upcoming session tomorrow. Okay, so I will intimate you if I have the session. So thank you for joining me, and I had a beautiful response today. So please like the button there if you understood the concept, and even I will clear the numerical that is from NCERT textbook. Uh, Please join the session which I do for these numericals. Okay. So thank you so much for joining. Have a great time. Good night.